Hi guys, it's me, and today we're taking a close look at the Zebra Technologies 172-801-00000 Series 170's i4 6-inch DT/DT tabletop printer. Now, this is a machine that's been a workhorse in industrial and commercial settings, and what's cool is that you can now get it renewed, so you're essentially getting a professional-grade printer without the new price tag. If you want to check it out, the link is down in the description. So, let's start with what makes this Zebra printer special. First off, the 170's i4 is a 6-inch wide printer, which is wider than the typical label printers most people are used to seeing. This extra width really opens up possibilities for printing larger labels, tags, or even specialized barcodes. The 203p resolution gives you a solid balance between detail and speed. It's not ultra-high resolution like some specialty printers, but for most industrial applications, it's perfectly sharp. This printer is also incredibly versatile when it comes to media. You've got the option of direct thermal or thermal transfer printing. If you're unfamiliar, direct thermal uses heat-sensitive paper and doesn't need a ribbon, which is great for short-term labels. Thermal transfer, on the other hand, uses a ribbon to print on more durable materials, which is essential for labels that need to last a long time, whether it's in a warehouse, manufacturing floor, or retail environment. Connectivity is another strong suit here. This model supports serial, parallel, and USB 2.0 connections, plus it has an internal ZebraNet module, which means network connectivity is built right in. For businesses that have multiple printers across a facility, this is huge because it makes managing them way easier. You don't have to rely on plugging in a cable every time, it's all integrated. Inside, the printer packs 16 megabytes of SDRAM, which might sound modest compared to modern consumer devices, but for label printing, it's plenty. It handles large files and complex label designs with CPL2 or XML commands, which are Zebra's standard printer languages. If you're integrating this into an existing system, this is going to make your life so much easier. Most enterprise label software supports ZPL2, so compatibility isn't really an issue. Now, talking about build quality, the 170's i4 is designed for the long haul. It's got that classic Zebra industrial feel, metal casing, robust internal mechanisms, and a design that's meant to withstand the daily grind. Unlike cheaper desktop printers that might overheat or jam frequently, this one is built to handle continuous printing over long shifts. The design is functional rather than flashy, but that's exactly what you want in an industrial printer. Everything is easy to access, from loading labels and ribbons to maintenance. The media compartment is straightforward, so you can swap roles quickly without fumbling around. There's even a small LCD screen and basic buttons to navigate settings, which is surprisingly handy when you need to make adjustments on the fly. Speed-wise, this printer can crank out labels quickly, depending on the media type and print mode. Thermal transfer will be a little slower than direct thermal, but that's expected. Even so, for an industrial printer, the throughput is solid. Pair this with the robust internal memory and network support, and you've got a setup that's reliable and consistent, a key factor if you're printing hundreds or even thousands of labels per day. Software support is another area where Zebra shines. Whether you're using Zebra Designer or integrating with enterprise software, there's extensive support. You can create complex label templates with barcodes, graphics, and text with ease. And thanks to ZPL2, you can automate a lot of processes, which is a time saver for larger operations. One of the best things about this renewed model is that you're getting all this reliability and industrial capability at a fraction of the cost of a brand new unit.